In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split text into two columns in Google Slides. This is a handy tool when you want to organize your information neatly and make it easier for your audience to digest. To achieve this, you have two methods at your disposal: using a table or utilizing the title in two columns layout. Let's dive into each method in detail. First up, let's explore the table method. Begin by opening your desired Google Slides presentation. Navigate to the top menu of your screen, find Insert, and then select Table. From there, choose a 1x2 table. This essentially means you're creating a table with one row and two columns, perfect for our needs. Once your table appears on the slide, you'll want to adjust its size and position so that it fits nicely into your slide design. Simply click and drag the borders of the table to ensure it aligns with your layout vision. After that's set, it's time to enter your text. Click inside each cell of the table and type in or paste the text you want to split. The benefits of using a table are its flexibility with formatting. You can customize the text and table however you like. Play around with the font style, size, and color. You might also want to adjust the borders to either make them visible or invisible depending on your design preference. This customization allows you to align the aesthetic of your slide with the message you want to convey. Now, let's shift gears to the second method using the title and two columns layout. This time, go to the slide menu. Here you can choose Apply Layout and then select Title and two columns. This layout is specifically designed to handle content that benefits from being split across two columns while also allowing for a title at the top. With this layout applied, you will see text boxes framed for your content. Feel free to adjust these text boxes if the default positioning doesn't quite match your slide's requirements. Resizing and repositioning can be simply achieved by clicking on the edges and dragging them to your preferred size. Now you're ready to fill in your text. Click directly into the text boxes and type or paste your information. Just like with the table, you have a variety of formatting options at your fingertips. Adjusting the font, size, and other text properties can enhance the readability and visual appeal of your presentation. Both of these methods serve different needs but ultimately deliver a clean and organized two-column text setup on your Google Slides. Choose the approach that aligns best with your presentation style and content requirements. With these easy steps, transforming your slides into a more professional and visually appealing layout is within your reach. Happy presenting?